Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, I just want to show you a little bit about what we've got going on here. It's kind of crazy, but we have a lot of leaves fall, so I'm going to show you what I'm dealing with. As you can see here, move out of the sight, right here in this area, these leaves I usually rake off and on 2 or 3 times a year. I haven't gotten to them yet. We're going to get these raked. But this is what I'm doing with them. My chickens love leaves. And as you can see when I go down the steps, all these leaves, everywhere leaves. This is under all these oak trees that have no leaves now. Always look up. I've already raked this area here and raked around the front of my chicken pen. I've also raked some back around our citrus tree. This was a satsuma, I believe. The cold got it. We were hoping it'll come back out, but we kept leaves around it during all the icy stuff, but it's still, the cold got it. But I've already raked this area, and this is what I did with them. I pile the leaves in here, and these chickens turn them back into compost. And usually, we'll probably get some in the turkeys too. They're jealous. I know, you're jealous. But the chickens hunt out every little speck of something, little bugs, whatever I've raked in there. And they eat really well on these leaves. They turn it back into compost. And we scoop this building out about once a year. So, I've got to go back over there and start cleaning.